Ningbo Day, it's like a Chinese MNC company. We are manufacturing in China, and like we have been doing very good business in Indian market because India is like a mass potential country for Day. And last year we have expanded our manufacturing plant from 1 lakh pieces per month to 2 lakh pieces per month because like globally hybrid inverters and like the string inverters for the C&I has been shown a rapid growth, and to fulfill that demand like we have been like increasing our capacity. When it comes to the Indian market, like in this 1 year like we have completed our 2 gigawatt shipment to Indian market because 2024 during REI like we achieved a milestone of 3 gigawatt, and by October 31st, that is yesterday, like we achieved a milestone of 5 gigawatt into the Indian soil. See, like hybrid, when it comes to its the technology and its advantages, like which has like lot many advantages like time of use or like time of charge and discharge. When it comes to the grid peak shaving, and also like why they can like send the power to the grid and like earn money. So all these advantages makes people to accept the technology and also adapting this hybrid inverter into their rooftop. So this is making like lot many manufacturers coming into the Indian market. But if you see, we as a, like a Day has given white labeling our OEMs to lot many customers to capture the market share, and like at present like a Day's market share for hybrid inverter is like 80%. At present, like we have 80 kilowatt for the C&I segment and 20 kilowatt for the residential segment in the low voltage and the high voltage. And in the coming year, we'll be coming out with like 100 and 120 kilowatt with the hybrid inverters. Yes, when it comes to the adoption, initially it was slow. Then people understood its advantages, as I earlier mentioned, and its return of investment along with the batteries is like within like 3 years. So seeing all these things, like people are going, and in the coming days, like hybrid inverter prices along with the lithium battery prices are going to come down, not just for the securing the market share, but it's like technology or like maybe our production capacity in China is increasing. So when the demand is increasing and manufacturing capacity increasing, like we are able to reduce the prices. So before like PM Suryaghar project like or the Yojana announcement, like we were able to do more into the C&I segment and less in the residential because there was no subsidy on that particular segment. But now when it entered the PM Suryaghar, we are able to see like a huge demand for the 3 kilowatt and 5 kilowatt hybrid inverters with the lithium batteries. Now if you see the market share or like the as per the segment, like we are able to cater to the both the market in the equal share. We have two products in micro. One is like a micro on-grid inverter and the micro hybrid. For micro on-grid inverters, like we have BIS, and like there is like a huge demand. In past 6 months, like we can see lot many competitors also coming, and we are able to cater to the requirements. We have already sold some 40-50,000 pieces of micro inverters. When it comes to micro hybrid, this product like we have launched even last year, but like demand was not there. But we are able to see the demand for micro hybrid now with the lithium batteries, which are showcased in this REI 2025. The main advantage is micro hybrid inverters is it can like generate power even if there is no grid, same as like a hybrid concept. It will take the battery voltage as a reference for generation, and it stores in the battery. And this particular battery can be used as the power bank during weekends. Whenever you're traveling outside, you can carry that battery as like a power bank, portable power bank. In this REI 2025, like we have launched C&I ESS solution, which is like a 125 kilowatt PCS system with a 215 kilowatt hour battery, which can be expanded up to 2.5 megawatt hour. So this is the latest for the 2025. But in the coming year, like we will be coming with the utility solar solution for the BESS.